Yep, another snow squall warning.
Sunday night, mostly.
What's up? My things fell. Yes, sir. Another.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning.
Still
for
says observed.
Sutherland County in central New York, southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:49 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Grahamsville to Carbondale to near Ricketts Glen State Park, moving east at 85 miles per hour.
85? What?
Hazard. Intense bursts of
That thing is
heavy
moving fast.
gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly.
Did it just seriously say that?
Quarter mile. Wind gusts greater than 50
It's moving so quick. Look at that. Moving east at 85.
Source.
Bro, what the hell? This thing is a fast mover. Just like
difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes.
Look at the clouds.
Include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Muhlenberg, Dunmore,
Dude, what the heck?
Fallsburg,
It just said that.
Plains,
What the
and
heck?
Carbondale. This includes the following highway exits.
Dude, what the heck?
Interstate 86/Route 7.
It actually said that.
And 113. Pennsylvania Interstate.
Bro, what the hell?
164 and 211. Interstate 84 between 1 and 46.
Oh my god, bro.
Interstate 380 between 20 and 24. Interstate 476 between
how many
105
interstates?
and 131.
How many are there?
Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying
Whoa, what
travel
the
until
heck?
the snow squall passes your location.
That's so weird.
If you must travel,
It just cut off. What the heck? It actually said that.
here is the regional weather forecast for northwest New Jersey.